This was worth a walk in.
Hmm?
This was worth a walk in.
Yeah. Sure was to me.
What's that?
That's fine.
Okay. Where? Rose?
Isn't that Rosie?
No, it's white. It's so gorgeous. Look at this part of it. That's pretty cool. Okay. Did you get enough?
Yeah.
They are, aren't they? Well, I guess we'll have to do something about that. Get another belt. Did you say you had two?
I don't think I said that.
Do you have a piece of rope or bungee cord? Well, I'll give you your belt back. And I'll change my pants. Well, they're deciding about what to do too. I don't think they're going to do it, not in that thing. Yep, we're turning around. Yep. It's time. Just so you know, it's time. It's getting urgent. There's a lot of red in there. Would you have done it if I hadn't been here? Would you put the car up there?
No. No. That's it.
Okay.
If it wasn't for this steep part right here, I would. But it's
Mm-hmm.
too steep right there before it evens out.
Yeah. It's way too steep. And there's not enough
Yeah.
grade, right?
Yeah, this isn't. Yeah, right here is fine. But right there, it's not.
Yeah. It just seems, I don't know, a little too iffy to get down there. GoPro, stop recording.